Here I have DOOGEE X55, and today I'm going to show you how to turn on camera timer on this device. So first of all, you have to open camera, then tap on this gear icon here to open camera settings, then go to camera settings, and here you have this option self timer. Tap on it, and here you can choose if you want to turn on timer on 2 seconds or if you want to turn it on 10 seconds. Let's choose for example 2 and try to make a photo, and as you can see, timer worked. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.